Every aspect of the human existence are experiencing some form of major shift or change. Science tells us it's the tension of the string on a pendulum, along with the weight of the item at the end of the pendulum, that causes the pendulum to achieve radial acceleration. Our world is going through a huge shift in consciousness on many levels. We have to trust that there is a power greater than ourselves in whose great wisdom is promoting the tension that is not only being felt locally, but is repeating itself throughout the world. The key to surviving the tension is to pray and find out what role each and every one of us is to play in the change. We must pray to keep our intentions pure as we go through the pendulum swing to be sure that we are insulated and protected from the fallout that always takes place when change strikes. Try the affirmation, as the earth shifts into higher mindedness, I align my consciousness with soul guidance to play a light-filled role in the pendulum shift. The light-filled energy you will create from repeating this affirmation for 30 days straight will help the huge shift land a little more softly, not only for you, but for our entire beloved planet.